Welcome back to our Bluesy Water channel. Today I'd like to do a follow-up video on inputting supplements and remedies into the Healy Resonance. So we're, first of all, I want to show you a very simple preparation you should do before you input the supplements. So we're going to show you that right now. We have the Healy here. This is a supplement. So this is a quick tip. We show how to do this in our first video, how to get the supplements into the system. This is a tip I learned from Dr. Lebecki. I have his homeopathic imprinter. I want to show you his site real quick. And yeah, this is Lebecki Wellness. This is the homeopathic imprinter. And this is a way simply to take your own body's energy, beam it over to this homeopathic receiver, then you switch it around and you send that back to your body. So this is a very simple system. But before you do that, anything you put on the plate, he always recommends cleaning it with a laser. And he also uses this to sweep the body. So I find this an energetically good cleaning practice. So simply you turn on the laser, and there's different settings, but we'll just show you how to turn it on. And you just sweep it around the heel. You can turn it around. Then you clean your supplements. And then when you're ready to imprint them, everything's cleaned up. Make sure your hands are clean. Then you're ready to go. And you've energetically cleaned the Healy, you've cleaned the supplement. This is a red cold laser. We can send you some links if you contact us. So it's very, very straightforward. And he recommends this every time you use that imprinter, every supplement, before you send the signaling, you clean the field. Now you could use alcohol and swab it. It's hard to, you really don't want to swab the supplements, obviously. So I recommend this laser approach. I've used it for a lot. I think it's a great idea, and we can send you links to some of his videos. And he's a pretty interesting guy, but it's in the same family of therapy, electronic homeopathy, basically. Okay, so if you have any questions, contact me, Andrew at bluesywater.com. Once again, this is an excellent practice to do before you record any supplements or remedies with the record vibration feature. So please see our additional videos on how to utilize the Healy feature where you can input your supplements using the aura scan. Thank you. Take care.